Welcome back to Green Technology, where innovation, forestry expertise, and powerful machinery come together in some of the most demanding environments on Earth. The Mini Lunar Ox proves that size is not everything. This compact remote-controlled machine moves confidently through deep snow, hauling logs across difficult terrain with impressive efficiency. Combining modern engineering with practical forestry applications, it demonstrates how technology continues to improve productivity in challenging conditions. Next, the Steel MS 661C goes to work. Equipped with a massive 2/8-inch guide bar, this professional-grade chainsaw slices through large ash timber with remarkable ease. Every cut delivers reliable power, precise control, and the performance required for demanding logging operations. Some machines earn their reputation through decades of hard work. The MTZ-82 is one of them. Built with rugged simplicity, this tractor pushes through snow and ice while hauling heavy loads uphill. No complicated electronics, just dependable engineering that continues to prove its value year after year. If you love our channel, its superior power, and its exciting footage, please support us by subscribing and liking. This will help us continue bringing you more cutting-edge technology and amazing videos every day. Moving into muddy forest terrain, a skilled operator carefully navigates deep ruts while transporting valuable timber. Machines like these highlight the balance between raw pulling power and operator experience, especially when working in difficult ground conditions where every decision matters. Moments later, a heavily loaded logging rig encounters a serious stability challenge. As the weight shifts, the operator maintains control and safely manages the situation. Experiences like this remind us how critical training and awareness are when transporting heavy loads. Tree removal often requires far more skill than people realize. High above the forest floor, An experienced climber dismantles a mature fir tree section by section. Every movement is calculated, every cut deliberate, allowing large pieces of timber to be lowered safely and efficiently. Watching a centuries-old tree come down is always a remarkable moment. There is a sense of respect involved in the process, as professional loggers carefully apply their knowledge and experience to harvest timber that will eventually serve countless practical purposes. Forestry work demands concentration at every stage. Working on steep slopes and uneven terrain requires balance, precision, and constant awareness. These conditions remind us why professional logging remains one of the most challenging occupations in the world. A close call serves as a valuable reminder that safety must always come first. Even experienced workers can encounter unexpected situations, making protective equipment and proper procedures essential. The sound of a forestry tractor pulling heavy logs uphill speaks for itself. With immense traction and steady power delivery, these machines transform difficult terrain into productive work sites, helping crews move timber efficiently through remote forests. If you enjoy watching powerful and perfect machines, remember to subscribe to the channel. We bring you the most impressive and amazing technologies from around the world. Near-miss incidents demonstrate why proper planning matters. Protective gear, risk assessment, and safe work practices are not optional when dealing with falling trees and powerful equipment. Nature often provides warning signs before something goes wrong. Learning to recognize those signals can prevent accidents and protect both workers and equipment. Working around power lines introduces another level of complexity. Removing large trees near electrical infrastructure requires specialized knowledge and professional planning to ensure safe outcomes. When storm-damaged timber must be removed, crews often rely on a combination of modern chainsaws and traditional tools. The process may be slow, but careful work is what keeps everyone safe. Professional tree fellers make difficult tasks appear effortless. Years of experience allow them to evaluate conditions, plan cuts accurately, and execute every step with confidence. What looks simple often reflects decades of practice. Not every tree cutting attempt ends successfully. Poor planning and incorrect cutting techniques can quickly create dangerous situations. These examples highlight the importance of proper training and respect for the forces involved. Sometimes luck prevents a mistake from becoming a serious accident. However, relying on luck is never a substitute for preparation and sound judgment. Powerful windstorms continue to demonstrate the incredible force of nature. Massive trees that stood for generations can be uprooted in moments, reminding us that even the strongest forests remain vulnerable to extreme weather. If you love technology, incredible power, and amazing footage, please support the channel by subscribing and liking. This will help us continue bringing you more amazing machine videos every day. Tracked forestry tractors excel in rough environments. Their wide tracks provide stability, while grapples allow operators to load and transport logs efficiently from harvest sites to collection areas. Rotting trees often present hidden hazards. Structural weakness may not be visible from the outside, making inspections and proper evaluation critical before work begins. Even compact track machines can influence the direction of a falling tree. However, precision is essential because a small mistake can result in costly property damage.
Taking down a 10-foot cedar with just a 42-inch bar isn't logging. It's war.
Felling a giant cedar with a 4.2-inch bar requires exceptional skill. Every cut must be carefully planned, as the immense size and weight of the tree leave little room for error. It is a demonstration of both human expertise and mechanical capability.
Precision. This is real.
High above rugged mountain forests, aerial logging operations showcase another side of modern forestry. Heavy-lift helicopters transport large logs across terrain that would be nearly impossible to access by ground equipment, dramatically improving efficiency in remote areas. Unfortunately, not every operator demonstrates good judgment. Unsafe chainsaw practices continue to create unnecessary risks and serve as examples of what should be avoided in professional forestry work. Modern harvesters have transformed the industry. Machines such as the Timberjack 1000 470D can measure, cut, process, and stack timber with incredible speed and accuracy. A single operator can accomplish work that once required an entire crew. If you love our channel, its superior power, and its exciting footage, please support us by subscribing and liking. This will help us continue bringing you more cutting-edge technology and amazing videos every day. Finally, another reminder of forestry's most important lesson. Trees always follow the laws of physics. A poor cut, a wrong angle, or a failure to plan can quickly turn routine work into a dangerous situation. Respect for gravity, experience, and preparation remains the foundation of safe and successful logging.